welcome to the Trigonometry tutorial, and yes, as you can see, I did it. Just waiting for my shitey light to brighten up a little bit, and I did say I was going to be wearing a suit, but it's about 2 years old, so, you know, you can imagine it's a bit small, but nevertheless, I shall wear it, and I can actually, you know, I think I look pretty dapper, actually. So can you see the board? As you can see, there's the board that I will be using for this tutorial. I bought it especially for this event. But there's... that would completely ruin everything if I'd have lost that. Where all the magic happens, that little bit of chalk. So we're going to start off. Can you see that as... yes, okay. That says, if you cannot read, okay, it says Sokotoa. Now, there are many ways of remembering this sequence of, you know, letters. You can think of it, you're an acronym. There's one that, you know, some of you might know, which I will not repeat in this video, as I would like no explicit language. Wait, we're talking, that's your warning. I'm a fucking teacher, innit? Fucking teacher, bellend. 1 minute 56, alright, it's going to take forever to upload. So, first of all, this is probably going to go wrong, right? Just warning you. We need to, you know, find out what this nonsense means. Oh, by the way, I've not yet invested in a ball rubber, so using an old sock. Okay, just put it over there on the TV. Right, okay, I'm gonna take a sip off so I feel right better. Time. Right, okay. Just got back from an epic little run out on the town, you know, pruning in the hedges and thing. Yeah, so the S is the overall. There are 3 main parts to this sequence of letters. S, let me just bolden that out for you a little bit. S, C and T. As you can see, S links with there, C links with there, T links with there. Now what these mean is actually sine, but on the calculator you would just see it as sin, cosine, but you would just see it on the calculator as cos. The T is tangent. But you would just see tan. So if you ever see that, that's what it means. So basically right now we're going over the basics. One of the signs you're going to need to know when doing trigonometry, that's what it's called. You want theta, which is that symbol there. It's like an E with an extra curled round bit with a little bit hanging out. It's stupid, I know. But there's one thing you're going to need to know if you want to learn trigonometry. That's it, I had enough of you talking, alright? It's going to be an S1. Iron. That's your S1 there. Don't know if you can actually see that. Yes, you can. So, yeah, no more talking. No more talking. Wait. So yeah, you just take that in. Take a moment to take in the excellence of trigonometry-ness. So, you know, that's If you want to pause, you can have a decent look. I always just remember it's Sokotoa, basically. Fuck, I didn't even say the main shit. Okay, I need to rub off most of this. Yeah, and just remember your S1 because I've just rubbed it off sometime. You have to turn your volume up, by the way. Probably annotation saying that. But yeah, so what does this sine, cosine and tangent actually mean? Well, basically, sine, you would use it, for instance, I'll do 3 examples, okay? We're just going to be working on missing angles today, I think, yeah. So, I'm just going to draw 3 pretty much equal triangles, yeah? Well, this one here, okay? They're all right angles, so they're all right angle triangles, so let's just put in that there, okay? Now, of course, the longest side is the hypotenuse, so let's label that H. Bottom one's one. So as you see, that's what we got so far. Now, say we're gonna be trying to find this angle on all of them, okay? This exact angle. Okay, see that? See that angle we're trying to find? So that angle is the definition of theta. The angle we are looking for. Can you actually, yeah, you can just about see that. So that's, that's how you would, I'd actually put it inside, but I'm not going to because that's just stupid. Right, so in this triangle, it's going to be sine. We also have here is the adjacent, so we're going to label that A, and this is opposite because it's opposite to the angle, okay? And we'll do the same. Right, you can actually see the stuff I've written on the bottom one because I'm retarded basically. If I just go like this on my tripod, lower that down a little bit. There we go, beautiful. So now, what defines the type of Pythagoras we're going to be using? Say this is sine here, okay? We're going to have, this is where this comes into play. We have S is for sine, and we have O and H, which is opposite and hypotenuse. That means we do not have the length for A, okay? We just have the length for the hypotenuse and the opposite, okay? So let's say this is 3, okay? Opposite is 3. Hypotenuse is going to be 7, okay? That would make that sine. So to work out this angle, theta, we're going to have to. What's the time? Wait, I'm just going to have a quick drink. Alright, I think we're good now. Right, okay. Okay, we've got about a minute. I'll just have enough time to explain sine. Spat everywhere. Oh yes, look at me dance. Oh yes, he's amazing at dancing. So yeah, shut up, Carl. So yeah, that's what makes it sine. Okay, and to work this out, you would simply just use this equation here. You would go 3 divided by 7. Okay, so the equation altogether, what you would use is second in brackets sine minus 1 open bracket Okay, so I'm just going to grab this tripod and take you over so you can see that equation. Spin the lens thing round. Right, okay, now it's got all dark. Brilliant. Okay, so here's the equation. Second sine minus 1, 3/7 equals x slash theta. Okay, so that was part 1, which is sine. I will explain more. Well, I'm going to record it now, but you won't see it. Like, it won't be uploaded for a while because I need to make guys wait. Gives it a bit more of a nice feel to it. Thanks for watching.